इनपुट देते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Nuclear energy in Canada. Because there's no education.
I don't think so. No, just have a seat. Yeah, basically, gonna have a quick few words, and then we're gonna have. Okay. Yeah. Then I'll These are the history. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to have attentions. And I would like to thank Senator Salma Atalla Jan, great voice of our community in the Senate, our former MP and candidate from our riding, Bob Decker. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time and joining us here. As you all know that last week I had an event at my home when Minister Kenny came, and we would like to just acknowledge all the great work and initiative has been taken by the Conservative government, and few things they have done it which has never been done in the history before. The Iftar event in the Prime Minister home, which is the first time in Canadian history. Then Muslims, families, and they were not leaders, there was an average Muslims, people were invited from Prime Minister of Canada, and there was such a family environment. Our First Lady, Lorraine Hart, engaging all the different people of different backgrounds to come in the main street and part of the being part of the politics and do your parts, because this is our country, this is our land, this is the land we're giving to our kids. So to recognize Prime Minister invited in my home, but there was some miscommunication happened, and Bob was very sorry about that. We met another event after 2 days, and he came to me, he apologized, he said, Professor, let me know how can I cover it up. And that was his initiative. He said, bring all those people who came to your home and they showed my support. I want to go to their home and I want to say thank you. So Bob is all here for you guys. Please. You all know that since 2008, Bob is a hard-working MP in this Arundel riding. He was a part of different jobs in the House of Commons. And we wish you for all the best, sir. We ensure you our support. And we hope this time when you're going to go back there in House of Commons, you will have some nice portfolio, some minister there. And then definitely you will remember this support. And when the community needs you, and definitely these people living in your riding, I will of course go over to Stella when I need something. But these people will definitely, you know, when they have any issues, and I would like you to bring them on the board. Our community is very supportive. They are ready to work with you. We need respect.
System, so it actually delivers justice to the people and protects our communities, our families, our children, and the people who are victims of crime. I'm very pleased that in my time in the justice portfolio, we have done things like bring in laws to protect young people from being lured and harassed.
And whatever you see in the Pakistani community, it's all because of Senator Salma Atalla Jan. If she was not there, believe me, my community would not have taken the initiative. All the credit goes to her. She is the one. She is the one who is driving this. I think the Prime Minister did a very good job when he appointed her as the senator, because she is an interface for us with the PC party. Our community does not have good relations with the PC party. And we are trying to mend the bridge, and she is taking a very good role in, instead of burning the bridge, we want to mend the bridge so that we come closer rather than burning the bridge, and there is a huge gap between you and us. That's the reason we support you, and we want to show you that we are with you. We love this country. This country has given a lot to us. I don't need to go into details. It is time that we have to give back to Canada. We love this country. When President Kenny was there, I'm proud of this country. I'm proud that I came here, and it's all because your government has given us peaceful environment to live. You have provided us safety and security to our children. and more importantly, you have given a chance for our children to flourish and achieve their dreams that they have. So the credit goes to your government, and I love this country and I love the government, the present government of Canada. Now, coming back to what you were saying, what the government is doing and what the plan is and this and that, it all looks very rosy to me. We are in the business. We are trying to go into a big venture here in Canada, and we are comparing those ventures with USA. And it is unfortunate that for one project, USA is more attractive for us than our homeland Canada. Because US government is giving us so much facilities to go into that venture there. We are investing millions of dollars in Virginia.
In Virginia?
In Virginia.
Okay.
And
What's the business?
terms and conditions, it's a chicken farm.
Okay.
We are trying to buy about 50-acre land there and build 10 chicken sheds.
Okay.
And each one will be having 45,000 birds.
Wow.
And so on. So it's a huge project, millions of dollars worth of project. We try to do the same thing here, but there are a lot of bottlenecks.
Right.
The government doesn't allow this, government doesn't allow that.
Is it federal or provincial?
It's both.
It's both.
It's both, federal as well as provincial. So we